Hello everyone, do you know that today more than half of us, that is 3.5 billion people live in cities?
And by 2050, two-thirds of the world population, that is 6.5 billion people, would be a part of the urban civilization.
Rapid urbanization is resulting in a growing number of slum dwellers, inadequate and overburdened infrastructure, and services such as waste collection, water and sanitation system, road and transport, worsening air pollution and unplanned urban sprawl.
Building urban resilience is crucial to avoid human, social, and economic losses.
Improving the sustainability of urbanization processes is needed to protect the environment and mitigate the damage risk and climate change.
Through the medium of a special assembly based on Sustainable Development Goal 11, we, the students of Class 10D, wish to make you all aware about various measures one can take to keep cities safe and sustainable.
सुनो ओ नुक्कड़ वालों, सुनो सुनो ओ नुक्कड़ वालों, सुनो सुनो ओ नुक्कड़ वालों, सुनो सुनो ओ नुक्कड़ वालों।
त्योहारों का समय आने वाला है। ये वह समय है जब हम अपने दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों से मिलते हैं।
इस पर्व पर चारों ओर मनोरंजन और प्रेम का माहौल होता है।
लेकिन इन खुशियों के बीच हम एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण बात भूल जाते हैं कि उत्सव के नाम पर अंधाधुंध पटाखे जलाना हमारी माँ तुल्य प्रकृति के लिए कई गंभीर समस्याएं उत्पन्न करता है।
यही कारण है कि त्योहारों के दौरान प्रदूषण का स्तर कई गुना बढ़ जाता है।
मैंने तो ये भी सुना है कि 2050 तक एयर पोल्यूशन इज प्रोजेक्टेड टू बिकम द लीडिंग ग्लोबल कॉज ऑफ mortality in the urban sector.
Of course, the urban sector relies on energy consuming, carbon or toxic producing heating, ventilation and cooling systems which can cause an unsustainable cycle of increasing energy use.
तो क्या किया जाए? How can we celebrate our festivals or enjoy the luxuries in our life without feeling culpable for our environment or of our own health as well as of the future generations?
वर्तमान पीढ़ी की आवश्यकताओं को भविष्य पीढ़ी की आवश्यकताओं से समझौता किए बिना पूरा करने की जरूरत है।
Our cities need to be environmentally sustainable, and we, as individuals, should ensure that the consumption of the natural resources do not exceed the planetary limits.
Some simple ways to make our cities environmentally sustainable are boosting green spaces for healthy environment and reducing and managing food waste.
Promoting urban agriculture.
Avoiding disposable items.
Reducing household energy use.
Being a socially conscious customer.
The city's wastelands can be turned into an attractive biodiversity park. Not only will this clean up swaths of open spaces and turn them into flora and fauna habitats, but it will also provide a location for public park.
Moreover, projects like these will create and connect ponds and help in the regulation and retention of rainwater.
Many states in India have developed e-health services which will include facilities like a digital database of medical records and managing the supply chain required for doctors and patients.
The system will ensure that healthcare becomes more accessible and affordable, as well as provide key insights about the city's population with data collected.
Another step can be to integrate digital learning and building science lab and invest in physical infrastructure, promote extracurricular activities, highlight gender parity in the classroom and playground, and promote capacity building for teachers.
आओ जागरूक नागरिक होने का कर्तव्य निभाएं, दुनिया को मिलकर बचाएं।
As a conscious citizen of a country, we must be aware of our SDG Goal 11, which aims on building safe houses and affordable housing by 2030.
The targets mentioned under SDG 11 include
Affordable and sustainable transport system for all.
Protection of world cultural and natural heritage.
Reduce the adverse effects of natural disasters.
provide access to safe and inclusive green and public places. Inclusive and sustainable urbanization.
SDG 11 also mentions the means of achieving the targets. They are
Strong national and regional development planning, implementing policies, and ensuring resources efficiency.
The future of this planet and its inhabitants can definitely become more sustainable, greener, and healthier.
It would certainly be magical for the future of our cities to be sustainable, adaptable, and resilient to the challenges we face in the context of change.
आधुनिकता, समृद्धता और संपूर्ण विकास से हमारे नगरों के साथ
आओ मिलकर करें सतत नगरों की शुरुआत। धन्यवाद।